Oh my gosh, I just sat down to video the devotional for today and I was looking at how beautiful the lake was and it's just absolutely stunning. But let me show you something else that I just found. Check it out. There's literally a mama and a daddy, and then look at all the little babies. How sweet, y'all. That's not somebody's pet. That's literally right out here off this lake. Oh, so sweet. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 80 of our 365-day daily devotional. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and it's just wonderful. It's been such a blessing in my life, and it's something I just wanted to share with my community, and it has really turned into something that I depend on every day. So if you would like to check it out, or if you are returning, thank you. But if you would like to check it out and you're curious about the previous episodes, I have a playlist in the description box, and I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, number 80. So before we get started, I am talking a little softer today. There is probably about 100 to, well, I would say like probably 80 to 100 people literally right over beside me. They're in campers. There's a camper lot right beside me. So lots of them, it's beautiful tonight. I mean, look at it. It's absolutely stunning. So lots of them are sitting outside enjoying themselves, and I don't know if they want a sermon tonight. So you know what I mean. I'm just trying to be respectful of their time out here enjoying the lake also. So we're going to do episode 80 and we'll get started now. I'm going to give you the verses. I like to do that way you have them just to go back throughout your day, check them out, just see how the Lord uses these throughout your day. Well, the first sentence of this has already just reached out and grabbed me. Trust me and don't be afraid, for I am your strength and song. Think what it means to have me as your strength. I spoke the universe into existence. My power is absolutely unlimited. Human weakness, consecrated to me, is like a magnet, drawing my power into your neediness. However, fear can block the flow of my strength into you. Instead of trying to fight with fears, concentrate on trusting me. When you relate to me in confident trust, there is no limit to how much I can strengthen you. Remember that I am also your song. I want you to share my joy, living in conscious awareness of my presence. rejoice as we journey together toward heaven. Join me in singing my song. I don't know what to say. If you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, you know that this is the part that I've had the most trouble with. I'm sorry, y'all. That one obviously just, it hit home. I mean, it's like the Lord is literally speaking to me every day through these. Let's do the verses. It's actually getting dark, so y'all aren't going to be able to see me in a minute. So let's do the verses, but I did want to show you this real quick. Yeah. It's beautiful. And this is episode 81, y'all. I don't know why I kept saying 80. I said it like 4 times, I think, in the beginning of this. But this is episode 81. We did episode 80 yesterday. Okay, let's do the verses. Please let me just get through this. Oh my goodness. Surely God is my salvation. I will trust and not be afraid. The Lord is my strength and my song. He has become my salvation. With joy, you will draw water from the wells of salvation. Isaiah 12:2-3. Whenever I am afraid, I will trust in you. Psalms 56:3. Surely you have granted him eternal blessings and made him glad with the joy of your presence. Psalms 21:6. This one is so good. I mean, trust me and don't be afraid, for I am your strength and song. Think what it means to have me as your strength. Think about that. Man, y'all. Human weakness consecrated to me is like a magnet, drawing my power into your neediness. He tells us over and over and over again. If we could just put ourselves aside and just trust God. It's something that I need to do myself, obviously. There are some areas that I need some work in. yeah, I mean, I hope that this one spoke to y'all like it spoke to me, because it sure did. I thank y'all so much for being here with me. Seriously. This has been rough, and y'all have been awesome. Just having somebody to be there, you know? Alright, guys. If you have enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. It does help my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Seriously, guys, thank y'all. Thank you. And y'all have a blessed day.